EA account, how to fix EA error code 524, sorry this account is not able to play online. The EA error code 524 with the message sorry, this account is not able to play online typically appears when the EA account has restricted online play, often due to age restrictions or account settings. Here are steps you can take to resolve it. 1. Check age restrictions. If the account is set to under 13 years old, or the age required for online play in your country, online multiplayer access may be restricted. EA enforces these restrictions in line with local laws. 2. Update account settings on EA's website. Log into your EA account via EA's website, https://www.ea.com. Go to account settings and ensure that the birth date reflects an eligible age for online play. If you need to change it, you may have to contact EA support, as birth dates cannot always be updated directly. 3. Enable online play by a parent account. For underage accounts, if the account is linked to a parent or guardian's account, ask them to adjust the permissions to allow online play. Parental controls on the gaming platform, PlayStation, Xbox, etc., can also restrict online features. Ensure these settings allow online access for EA games. 4. Contact EA support. If none of the above steps work, contact EA support, https://help.ea.com, directly. They can review your account settings and provide specific guidance. 5. Check Xbox or PlayStation network settings. If you're playing on a console, check network settings for your account on Xbox Live or PlayStation Network. Sometimes, console-level restrictions can affect EA services. Following these steps should help resolve error code 524 and allow online access if there are no further restrictions on your account.